so excited to share this package with you. This is a gifted package from Tooletries. Get organized. So inside here we have a few goodies to help my showering experience to be more organized. And I'm so excited for this. So first in here we have a silicone body scrubber and hook. So let's open this up. You can see right on here, it's peel and stick. This is the hook, so we're gonna peel it, we're gonna stick it right onto the shower. And then right here, you have the scrubber, right? It has a little handle on it, very flexible. So I'm excited to try this. So that's one of the products in here. There's more. So this is the face scrubber holder. It looks like it's called the Ace. So we'll open this up. Again, it has a little peel and stick on it, and this is the little holder. From there, we're going to move into the silicone face scrubber, and it does specifically say gentle on it. So let's open this up. These packages are so cute with the little peeling here. It's easy to open. So right here, this is the face scrubber and the little handle. It is very soft. It has a lot of different, see, I have the texture of it there. So I'm excited to try all of these. And then last but not least, we have the shower mirror toothbrush and razor holder. So this way everything can stay together. I'm actually really excited for this one. This is super cool. So silicone grip technology, removable and reusable, grips strong to shiny surfaces, no adhesive / suction cups. So let's open this one up. I am absolutely loving these little accessories. Who would have thought I needed my shower organized like this? This is awesome. So let's see, we have two pieces in here. So this is the holder. So you can see there's a space there. There's also a little space here and here. You can also see that there's holes in there. So that way the water can drip out, so nothing gets all nasty as it sits in there. So the water will drip out. So there's this. It does give instructions on how to use it and how to stick it to the shower. And then in here we have the shower mirror. So I'm super excited for this one. It's called Shatterproof, Fog Resistant, Holds Strongly, Removes Cleanly. So we have all of these new products to try. I am so excited to stick them all over my shower and test them out. I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. Follow me for more because you'll see some photos and how I decided to organize them and stick them to the shower. So thank you, Tooletries. I'm so excited for all of my gifts and I can't wait to share them with all of you.